I just got my new OONI Koda 16. Stay tuned to see what's inside the box and how to set it up. Okay, so let's start by having a look inside here. Flip that open. It's a whole stack of literature right here. There's the Essentials Guide. There's quick start information in there, which is kind of useful. It'll tell you about how to set it up first time. And a whole lot of other information about using the OONI Koda 16. So I'll get to that in a moment. Put those aside. Let's open. All right, first thing we find is the stone, which is a different shaped stone. This is a different to the other OONIs, in that it's not symmetrical, it's an asymmetrical shape. So that will be going at the front, that'll be going at the back. It's a bit dusty, so we want to be able to clean that off and season it before we start up. Manual and safety instructions. So this just goes through all sorts of things you need to do. There's all the boring stuff, how to unpackage, how to set up your oven, for example. So that's all pretty straightforward. It's the regulator. Now that regulator is set for whichever country the Koda is destined for. So that one's destined for Australia, so it's an Australian regulator. Take the top off that. What I might do is I'm going to put that on the ground and I'm going to lift it up. Okay. So let's have a look. Should be 3 legs for this one, like its smaller brother. Yep. Back leg. And a couple of front legs. So that's just like the OONI Koda 12. If we take a look inside, you've got the L-shaped burner. Starts there and comes around here. There's no burner on that side. I'll put the stone in so you can see how that looks. It locates just like that. There's not a whole lot more to set up. It's pretty basic. So take the regulator out of here. And for Australia, this is called a pole fitting, POL. It's a standard bottle fitting. You can get replacement bottles at any petrol station in Australia, pretty much. So I'll just attach that, and then I'll just have a quick read of the setup guide. And this is where the OONI OONI Koda 16 varies from the 12. The regulator, or the gas adjustment knob, the heat temperature knob, is on the side rather than at the back, and it's wider. It's about as deep. They're about the same depth, but this is probably 50% wider, and the knob's at the side, which is better. I find that the knob at the back is a little bit of a nuisance on the 12, but not a big deal in the scheme of things. So we'll get that set up right now. And we'll get this going. So you can see there's that L-shaped flame. We're going to let this run for a little bit of time just to temper everything and to burn off any mess on the stone itself. That was kind of really simple and straightforward. It doesn't really take a whole lot to start up a pizza oven to get it going, like 5 minutes max. So all you got to do now is get pizzas ready and start to cook them. So that's all there is to setting up the OONI Koda 16. It's a very straightforward job. It only took me, less than 5 minutes. And I'm looking forward to testing it out with some pizza and some other food. I'm Andrew from the Food Good channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends.